In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Keepa. If you use Keepa to track prices and watch product trends, being able to sign in quickly and confidently is essential. I'll walk you through the process step by step, explain what to look out for, and share a few simple tips to make logging in smooth every time. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going directly to keepa.com. Type it carefully into the address bar and press Enter. Give the page a moment to load. You should see the Keepa homepage with navigation across the top. It's always a good idea to make sure you're on the official site and that your connection is secure, indicated by the lock icon in the address bar. Next, look to the top right corner of the page and click Login. On desktop, it's usually clearly visible there. If you're on a phone or tablet, you might first need to tap the menu icon and then select Login from the list. This will bring up the sign-in screen. Now, enter your email. Use the same email you used when you created your Keepa account. Take a second to check for typos, especially extra spaces if you copied and pasted, and make sure it's the correct inbox you use for Keepa notifications. If your browser or a password manager suggests an email for you, verify it matches your Keepa account. Then enter your password. Passwords are case sensitive, so check that caps lock isn't on and that you're using the current password you set for Keepa. If there's a show or hide toggle, you can briefly reveal your entry to confirm it's correct before proceeding. Using a trusted password manager can reduce errors here and help you log in faster. With your email and password entered, click Sign In. After a moment, you should be redirected back to Keepa with your account recognized. A quick way to confirm you're signed in is to look for your account area or profile indicator in the top navigation. From there, you can access your tracking, price history, and alerts as usual. If sign-in doesn't work on the first try, double-check your email spelling and password accuracy and ensure you have a stable internet connection. Refresh the page if needed. For security, avoid logging in on public or shared devices when possible, and remember to sign out when you're finished if you must use a shared computer. That's it. Go to keepa.com, click Login, enter your email, enter your password, and click Sign In. You're ready to get back to tracking smarter with Keepa.